Okay, we went to 110. Hello, my name is Jeffrey. We're here to talk about valves and valve packing. Valve packing is very important. It can be the difference between having to replace a valve, such as this and this, or just keeping this valve in good shape. One way to do that, making sure your packing doesn't leak. This is a Bonnie Forge 800-pound class 1-inch gate valve. It's a weld-in. So in order to replace a weld-in, it's a lot of money. So what you do, keep this thing in good shape. So let's get started with the packing. We have 110 pounds of air pressure on here. I'm putting it at mid-travel. We definitely have a packing leak here. One of the things I want to talk about is most valves will have a back seat, and that is for in a situation where if you have a packing leak, that you can get yourself buy some time to be able to pack it. Say you're online, you have high pressure on it, so to keep it from washing out the packing, you'll back it off. You'll run it up to the back seat. Put some more Snoop. And as you can see, by running it to the back seat, it actually stopped leaking. And that would allow you to finish your run, and then you'd be able to pack it at your next convenience. I have put 120 pounds of air pressure on this. And so we're going to check for leaks. To check for leaks, we're using Swagelok Snoop. It gives you an indication if you have leaks on your packing. As you can see, it's leaking. The Swagelok Snoop is used if you're using air, but if you have a water leak, water runs out. Spray the bolts there that hold the packing gland. This particular valve takes 2 half-inch wrenches. We're going to go 2 flats at a time. You want to make sure that your packing gland goes down evenly. So you alternate. Let's do another check. All right, use some more Snoop. And our packing is tight, and we no longer have a leak. You don't want to just keep tightening. Once you have a leak stop, you're good. It will actually make your valve hard to turn if you keep tightening beyond where it stops leaking. Going all the way closed. We'll check for leaks. No leaks. And then I'm going to go all the way back out. Once you have fixed your packing leak, don't continue to tighten. It just makes it harder for the valve to operate in the open and closed position. So go as much as you need to, but don't go any farther. That is valve packing. Compressed air and demon water take money to make. It's not free. So anytime we can eliminate leaks, it saves us money.